Tell me what my next levels are, when I should buy more, please. Thank you. Okay, great. Thanks. Hello, everyone. It is Tuesday, March 24th, 8:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Just a second. What am I doing here? Oh, I'm going to give you guys a live chart. Here we go. You see, there it is. This I was talking about all day yesterday. I've been trolling IXHL on StockTwits to let everyone know that this was going to move. And here we go. It's moving. So let's see what this chart looks like. Oh, great. Look at that. There it is. So I'm sizing in slowly. And I just wanted to show everybody what's happening and with the real company and talk to you guys a little bit about it. So I wanted to trade it live. So I've been watching it for a few days, not very long. I've been doing some research on it, and I have very little time, honestly, to stay on today. So this is not going to be a long video because I have meetings all day today. Just a second. Wow, this thing is moving. Okay, add 50 shares. Sorry, guys. This thing is moving so fast, and I'm trying to size into it because I love this company right now, and it is moving. It's obviously on a breakout. It's been trading at these levels. I'll show you in a second. I just need to make my next order. Okay. These are 15-minute candles. Maybe I should be trading 5-minute candles if I'm sizing in. And it's at 4.58 right now. This is really disciplined trading with these 15-minute candles. Should I be using 5-minute candles? This is exciting. It's exciting to be buying into, to take that money from IXHL and to buy into the stock BCYC, which is an incredible. I'll tell you all about the assets shortly. Okay, I'm going to stay on the 15-minute. I'm waiting for levels to hold, not reacting to every single wiggle with the 5-minute and the 1-minute candles, you know. So that's why I've always liked the 15-minute candle because it's a lot less noise. So I want this candle right now, which is a 15-minute candle, to close well above this 4.55 level because that's confirmation. Because that 4.55 is the high of the day. So we'll have a new high of the day. Okay. And, you know, I've always, you know, you watch trading videos and you watch, anytime you watch YouTube videos and trading videos and some of the greatest traders, they're going to tell you, you don't buy on the way down. You don't try to average down. You try to buy on a confirmation of a real move. So let me see. So right now it's at 4.58. It's still pretty strong. If this 15-minute candle closes above 455 and holds, I'm going to add another 50 shares. Right now I have a position of 300 shares. I'm not sure what my average is because I started adding at like 447 or something like that. Hopefully I get to keep this position. I'm going to size in, hold it, and this thing's going to move back up to the $6 range into the catalyst area, into where it should be, which is around the $15 range. Right now, that's on Yahoo. That's the analyst coverage. They have it at 15. You can look on Yahoo Finance right now. Okay, right now at 458. Still strong, but if this 15-minute candle closes above 455, yes, baby, go, go, go. I'm going to add more. See, you know, discipline is like adding 50 shares at a time. You know, I want more. So I always want to add more, but I'm going to try to stay disciplined. You know, okay. The trap you want to avoid switching to the 5-minute now. Make it okay. Give me a second. And I use AI to trade. It's very helpful. It takes your thoughts and compartmentalizes them and helps you. So yeah, so I'm just gonna figure out my levels real quick, and then I'm gonna tell you guys about the assets and about the company. So I can tell you a little bit about the company. So the key levels right now is the breakout level is 455, and we're about to close the candle at 458, which is super bullish. I'm sure we're going to come back and retrace a little bit, but let's see. The next upside targets are 4.65, 4.75, and come on, stop fucking interrupting me, man. I can't stand when these fucking alarms go off and everything. It's just like people calling me. It's like, dude, I said, you got your best friend if you're a trader is do not disturb. Just do not disturb. You turn your phone on do not disturb. You got to focus. You have to focus. Alexa, stop. Focus on what you're doing. You cannot be disturbed or interrupted by anything, anyone at all, any alarms, nothing when you're razor focused on what you're doing. So right now we're at 4.55 is the breakout level that it must hold, right? So we held that. We closed that candle at 458. It's a fully engulfed bullish candle. Now I can move my level up. So I'm going to move my level to the top of that wick, and we now have a new high of the day here, which is incredible. It's good. How refreshing it is to be in a stock that actually moves. So here we are, BCYC. It's Bicycle Therapeutics. Pretty incredible company, guys. Start doing your research now. $648 million in cash. Multiple shots on goal. Catalyst coming in the next 4 to 6 weeks. They just minimized 30% of their workforce to minimize cash burn. No debt that I know of. $210 million a year cash burn, because these are real programs on real cancer drugs. They have these things called bicycles. Bicycles are like these heat-seeking missiles that find these cancer flag cells and specifically hit them and kill these cancer cells. There's like bladder cancer. There's different types of cancer. I don't want to pretend I know about the science yet. I'm still researching it, but I've been watching it for a few days. I sold all my IXHL yesterday. And of course, I'm going to show you the levels in a second. All right, let me just get a grip on what I'm doing right now, because I am sizing in right now. And I want to make sure that I'm doing this the right way. So the breakout level is 455. We're holding that right now. And we're looking at 15-minute candles because there's a lot less noise, like I said. Golly, stop. I don't know if you guys are anything like me. First of all, I'm caffeinated. Secondly, any little interruption just makes me, drives me crazy. All right, so we're again 455, the breakout level. We're holding that. These are 15-minute candles. Next upside targets are going to be 465 and 475, hopefully to 490. So that's what I'm looking for now to add again. If I see 4.65 hold and close, I'm adding another 50. So this is how we want to trade. We want to add on the way up. So I'm going to move my dip level, which was at 435 to 440. And see, now 435 is now 445 to 440. I'm sure. Wait, let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta put my stop. Just a second. I'm just gonna do my stop order. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Dude, technology is fucking 2026. Let's go, dude. Move faster. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got to move my stop. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, Merrill Edge is what I use. I know it's ridiculous that I'm using this still. Sell. I'm not selling anything, but I'm just doing a oh wait, cancel. I got to go to my orders. Yes, see, this is like archaic, dude. This is like trading with the Bible. It's so old. What am I doing? Orders, holdings, order status. Let's go, buddy. Okay, so I have a stop at 4.31. So I'm going to go in here, open. There's my stop order, change order, and I'm going to do it for all my shares. I'm just going to flick that switch that says all shares, sell all, 250, 350. I got 350 now. So I'm now sized. I've been sizing in a little bit at a time on this move, 50 shares at a time. The first actual order was not 350. The first order was, I'm not going to lie, 200 shares. I like to move when I make a move. When I think something's making a move. Okay, yeah. Stop. I know what a stop quote is. Yeah. Come on. All this time that I'm looking here and not looking here, no good. To view the status of your request, blah, blah, blah. Change order submitted. Excellent. Get fucking move on, man. Yeah, I know you guys can relate. Lots of F-bombs today. Okay, phone's on do not disturb. It's retracing a little bit. It's to 455. Okay, breakout level. Must hold 455. Next upside target's 465, 475. So I have my stop at 431. It's still there. I should probably move that up. Your stop. Do not move it. Okay, great. When to buy 50 more shares? Right now, only if confirmed. If this 15-minute candle closes above 4.55, buy 50 more shares. Breakout yes. Breakout retest, best setup. Price pulls back to 450, 455 and bounces. So, okay. So I'm going to move my box from to 450 to 455. Let's see if I don't know. That's kind of aggressive, but that's the best setup. Deeper pullback, flush into 435 to 440, holds and reverses. If price chops between 4.45 and 4.55, don't do anything. If it wicks above and drops back to 455, there's no edge, no trade. Okay, so what we're seeing is this high of the day at 4.58 being fought over right now. Risk rules, this is everything. Oh God, a doji. Position now, 250. It's okay. At 50 shares at a time. It's telling me to do max size 350 to 400 shares. I already have 350. I'm such a pig when I trade. I never do anything the right way. I always go big. Stop stays 431 for all shares. Simple read. Above 455 equals bullish continuation. Below 4.45 is weakening. Oh God, here. Okay, 4.55, still holding it. Great. That's a normal dip right there. Where we're seeing a little bit of selling there. Below 4.35, likely a stop hit. Right now, sitting at 4.58, you're on the trigger level, not past it. So wait for the 15-minute close. If it holds at 50, if it fails, sit tight. Okay. Okay, so we're sitting tight basically. Can you please simplify that while I say hello to all the people that I'm live with? We just dropped all the way to 4.52. Should I move this blue box up for a fair value gap anywhere or no? What's up, everybody? I'm gonna say hi to everybody in a second. I just want to make sure I'm sitting. I got my stop set and everything. Keep it simple for right now while you're live. Do not move the blue box. Leave it where it is. Here's why I played terms. That drop to 4.52 is a retest of the 4.55 breakout. Your blue box 4.35 to 440 is still in the real support. Nothing structurally changed. Oh shit, I got to get in the shower. What matters right now, 4.55 needs to hold, 4.50. Okay, so 4.55 needs to hold. It's clearly not holding right now. 450 area equals a current battle zone. That makes sense. That's a big round number. 435 to 440 is real support. Okay, and 431 equals the stop. What you do, hold your position. Do not move the box. Did not add here. When you would add back above 455 and holding, or a clean bounce from 440. Okay, great. So we know. All right. So back above 455. So now we can address the stock and say hello. All right. So let's say hi to you guys. Let's show you the chart a little bit, though. There we go. Let's look at the day. Now, I'm going to quickly go to the day. Whoops. All right. Just BCYC, ding. And then look at this thing. I love that. Don't you love that when you go on and it looks like that? It looks so gigantic. It looks like a massive move is happening. So right now it's trading a little bit below the previous high of the day. But this is not what I wanted to show you. It's trading at 4.52. We're going to let that trade right there. Hopefully people are going to fight over it. And you guys should jump in now so you can protect my trade. Buy some shares, protect my trade, help me out, get some support there. And then when it goes over 455, I'll buy a little more. Okay. So you guys get in there and buy. I'm just kidding. So here, look at the day chart, guys. So, and then we're going to talk about, so this is the day, right? And now we're going to look at this day chart. I've already marked it out. All right. And see that trend line? This is where, see, this is kind of crazy. So this is why my stops are so tight. But look at this big green candle right here, right? And you know, this, and they always say, look, you know, you want to trade higher time frames. So we're at 4.52. I like it. I like it. See, you can always get some perspective by trading these higher time frames. Now, look at this. This is our chart, guys, girls, they, thems, everybody. Hello. It is Tuesday, March 24th. It's 8:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm Brian. My channel is called Pray Trade Repeat, and I have a TikTok channel and a YouTube channel. And you know, I've been I left IXHL yesterday. Finally took my money and decided that I'm not going to do this anymore. Not with the company that I don't trust. And I found this company, Bicycle Therapeutics. I was searching and, you know, talking to Claude, talking to ChatGPT, really looking for a good stock to invest in and to reallocate my money from IXHL. And I found this one and I love it. It's cancer. It's going to save a lot of people's lives. They have multiple shots on goal, and I'm going to talk about it now. But if you see, look at this chart. So we have a high of $9.07 on October 2025, right? But guess what? It gets better. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this thing. Dude. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, guys. Look at this thing. Bro, what is this? This is $30 a share, right? We're trading right now at $4.52 a share. We got our stop losses. Can't stop that. Don't do that to me. All right. So that's where it's at. I'm going to go back. I'm going to give you, again, $9 is the top of that on that day chart, right? I'm looking at $6 as a level to, is where it belongs, right? The market cap is like $350-400 million or something like that. There's 69 million shares outstanding. There's $648 million in cash right now with an annual burn of 210 million. Obviously, it's not profitable. It's a clinical stage biotech for cancer drugs. And we're going to talk about, let me just get my 15-minute chart back. I love the way this candle is holding. That 455 level is holding nicely. And then what am I doing? Oh, change 15-minute chart. Boom. And here we go. And hopefully I won't get stopped out today. And I've made a good move on a real stock with real CEOs, etc. And so you can see that's how the stock's been trading. On Tuesday, March 17th, the stock was up here in the $5 range. I think I found a move, but then again, you can see these moves. They came back down again. So they came back here. Price came down here all the way to 425. Came down here. Price at 425. So you're seeing this zone that basically between 458 and 425. That's basically the zone that it's trading in right now. It just went back to 449. And I'm hoping that we get a legitimate move here and I don't just get stopped out. If I do, I lose whatever, 350 times 10 cents or whatever that is $35 today. I'm trading this safely after months of, being a fool in IXHL and just dumping my money into it with no stop loss. Not doing that anymore. I'm sick and tired of it. And the lesson with IXHL is like you just can't trust anybody. You can't trust the stock market. You can't trust these companies. Joe Latham, what a fucking loser. Anyway, look at this. So let's get back over here and find out. Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? Let's see here. Let's go back over to the chat and see what you guys think of this and of me and of everything I'm doing. The last thing I want to do is come on live and then watch a giant red candle shoot back down and stop me out at 4.31 where my stop is. Okay, so it just failed the 4.55 breakout and dropped to 4.49. That's a rejection, not continuation. That's a bummer. 455 equal continued resistance right now. Oh, we got a greenie. You lost that level and stepped back under. Price is sitting around VWAP 445 to 449. So right now this is no longer a breakout mode. It's a pullback decision. Do nothing. Do not add. Keep your stop. Great. Okay, so let's talk about science. Okie dokie. I'm going to talk about science and I got to go. I have a meeting at 9:30 and I need to get in the shower. So where did my science go? Oh, it's over here. Where are you guys? There you are. What's up? What's up, Neil? Have you sold your shares? Oh yeah, I sold yesterday. I'm out. I'm done. I'm not with that company anymore. I'm no longer supporting it. Sold all my shares. I'm using that money to make money again. I'm sick and tired of losing money. I don't trust the CEO. I know he's going to dilute us again, so I had to get out. Yeah, Neil. Yeah, it's brutal. I feel it's so traumatic. I like the stock, but my only issue is the cancer biopharma is always clipped at phase 3. This has potential. True. I know. That's a good point. That's a really good point. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna just talk about the assets real quick and then shut it down because like I said, I got to get in the shower. I have a lot of people waiting for me. So here we go. So yeah, I exited IXHL fully, and I'm now building a position in Bicycle Therapeutics. I'm not rushing in. I'm scaling slowly, 50 shares at a time, because I see a potential larger move developing here. What stands out to me is the quality of the company. That's not a dilution machine. They're sitting on roughly $648 million in cash, burning about $210 million per year, and they recently cut about 30% of their workforce to extend runway. From what I see, there's no debt pressure, no toxic financing, and no ATM hanging over the stock. There's no warrants, nothing. The science is what really caught my attention. Their platform is based on bicycles. Bicycles are like synthetic peptides designed to target cancer cells and with precision, almost like a heat-seeking missile. This is not hype. These are real programs backed by serious research. The key assets that I'm watching are BT8009, Nectin 4 targeted solid tumor focus, BT5528, EPHA 2 targeted multiple cancer types, BT7480 immuno-oncology engages immune system directly, catalyst to watch, clinical trial updates and dose expansion data across BT8009 and BT5528, progression of BT7480 in early stage trials, and any partnership or licensing deals, updated pipeline guidance and financial runway commentary on the next earnings. I'm taking this one step at a time, not chasing it, no oversized positions, just controlled entries into what I believe is a clean biotech setup with real upside. If the data continues to come through, not financial advice, just sharing exactly how I'm playing it in real time. So that's it for me today, guys. This is Bicycle Therapeutics. I like this stock. Right now I think I have 350 shares. It's not a lot. And I think I found a nice little position here, a little starter position with my 350. The breakout looks like it failed, and that's okay, because I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm going to hit my meetings, do whatever I have. I have a stop loss set at 431 down there. But I see, obviously look at the chart. It's probably not going to come down that far. and I'll have a nice little position to add to. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hi to everybody. Listen, miss all you IXHL people, but I can't do it anymore. I've got to be in a real stock. This is the Baker Brothers. This is, this is like a real company, real assets. They don't need to. These are billionaires and doctors and real people, not people that are just in it to steal money from shareholders. That's it for me today. God bless all of you. Always pray, trade, repeat. Thanks. Sorry about the F-bombs. All right. And sorry about my messy apartment. Have a great day, everybody. Yeah, look for a video on stock twits. I mean, my brain is not working. TikTok. I gotta go. I'm late. How do I end session? End session. End stream. End stream. Go. End. Close camera. End.